What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin here today. So look at what we have here now in Dogecoin. Like I said, we were going to trickle down here to our long-term trend line, but right now these are just short-term trend lines, so you see that they go in and out. But for long-term, we see that we have this long-term trend line set here with Dogecoin, and we are still going up on a long-term trend line. So even if we have minor setbacks, just know that they are set for major comebacks. So Dogecoin is still going up long term. So that is good news here with Dogecoin. And just to look at our new trend line that we are now entering. So now we are now entering this downturn trend line where we're just going to trickle down here, and then we'll probably end up stopping here by tomorrow and then going up on a new positive trend line tomorrow. So these are possible solutions here for what Dogecoin is going to be doing. And yes, now we are down on this. These other two trend lines are the trend lines I set for the previous days, and I was showed like how Dogecoin's been moving, and I haven't been getting rid of the trend lines, so then I can actually see like the progress that we've been making. And every time I set these trend lines, you can see right at the end of the trend lines they start to go up for the next day, and then right at the end of the trend line they'll go down for the next. And it's kind of following this pattern. It's been following this pattern a lot lately, and Dogecoin usually follows this pattern. It did the same thing around Doge Day 420. I was also documenting back then. But yeah, and now this is what Dogecoin is doing now, is kind of following that same pattern down. So yeah, day by day we kind of trickle down here. So the only thing that will stop us from ending up meeting our trend line around here, around 46 to 48 cents, would be Elon Musk tweeting something big. So obviously, if Elon Musk tweeted something, then we would break that and we would stop trickling down, and then we would hit a peak. But then we would start trickling down from the peak unless something else is said, and then boom, it'll start going up. And that's kind of how Dogecoin does. It always trickles down back to the long-term trend line either way. So yeah, right now we are doing really good here with Dogecoin. So we are set to be at $1 within the next, I don't even want to put a date on it, but yeah, I would say over the next month or two, we are definitely expected to be at $1 with Dogecoin very soon. It just takes the Coinbase listing, and it takes Elon Musk making it being accepted by Tesla. That's all it takes for it to be at $1. So we are very close to that right now. As you can see, up 6% in the last hour, up 4.7% in the last 24 hours, and we are down 15% in the last 7 days. But we're still up to 36.6% in the last 14 days, and 198% in the last 30 days, and then a whole 21,000% in the last year. So Dogecoin is definitely like still the number like one crypto in my eyes. It's number 5 here, but that's in market cap, because obviously we have 68.6 billion in market cap and 11 billion in 24-hour trading volume. So Dogecoin still has so much money flowing through it. It has so much more money flowing through it than a lot of companies that are actually, doing like different things inside the world. And Dogecoin is worth more than those companies. So that's crazy that this is actually the reality. But yeah, this is a reality though. Dogecoin is really up right now in the last 24 hours because it just now had a little surge, but it is going to start trickling down. So I would say sell at the surge, and then it will probably end up dropping down. But it's all up to you. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, because Dogecoin could break this trend line and go either up or down. So at this point, we are just following it here and looking at by the buying versus the selling orders. Dogecoin looks like it has more selling going on right now because it did reach a peak. So we're probably going to get some more selling here. So yeah, it's definitely going to trickle down to that trend line there. But that's just kind of how it does here with Dogecoin. And remember, all it takes is one tweet from Elon Musk. But remember, we also have a lot of other things here with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is trending every single day on Twitter. As you can see, fake Dogecoin facts is now trending on Twitter. And when you click fake Dogecoin facts, you can see they actually have this hashtag trending on Twitter to the moon. It's fake Dogecoin facts. So a lot of fake Dogecoin facts, I guess. Okay, so it's just hashtag fake Dogecoin facts all over Twitter. Dogecoin is worthless. No. 58% of Americans believe Dogecoin faked the moon landing. Oh, okay. They're just doing a bunch of memes here. But see, Dogecoin can get trending off of anything just because the community is so strong. And that's why Dogecoin is going to be to the moon. This one says Dogecoins are mined on the moon. That's why everyone posts to the moon. Hashtag fake Dogecoin facts. So they're just doing a bunch of crazy, fake Dogecoin facts, and it's just going viral on Dogecoin because that's how awesome Dogecoin is. Because Dogecoin just trends in every single way. Look right here. This is one of the funniest ones. This is crazy that Dogecoin is just out here trending like that. But yeah, let's go over to Google Trends and see if we're still keeping up those trends on Google, because that is a really major factor here. Alright, so Dogecoin on Google is still trending in the last hour. Inside Hawaii, the top state, the second state would be Washington. So yeah, Dogecoin is definitely going crazy all over. Dogecoin prediction 2050. People are predicting it that far out. I don't know about that, but yeah, Dogecoin prediction 2050. How much is one Dogecoin worth? So yeah, Dogecoin is really still trending huge, and past 4 hours still trending. Who accepts Dogecoin? It soon will be Coinbase once Coinbase starts to accept Dogecoin, but we don't know when that'll happen. Nissan accepting Dogecoin. I don't know if that's actually true. Let's look that up. Nissan Dogecoin and see what we can find. So we know Newegg accepts Dogecoin as payment. Daytona Nissan, okay, that's what we're seeing here. Daytona Nissan, that's why I like Google Trends there. Alright, Daytona Nissan, much wild. Daytona Nissan now accepting Dogecoin, kind of. Daytona Nissan now probably accepts Dogecoin. So they said kind of. I want to see what they mean by kind of. The number of businesses accepting cryptocurrencies is increasing. Earlier this week, Tesla famously invested 1.5 million Bitcoin. As the price of crypto rises, it is not a surprise. Let's see where transfer of Dogecoin will be assessed a 25% convenience fee. Oh, okay. So I see what they're doing. They're going to charge you an extra 25% as a convenience fee. So that is one thing to think about if you're going to buy a Nissan inside of Daytona with Dogecoin, because then you will be paying a 25% convenience fee, which I don't think that is worth it, because Dogecoin will be worth a lot more in the long term. So that's why the article says kind of right there. So yeah, you gotta read those keywords. Kind of. Daytona dealership takes advantage of Dogecoin hype with promotion accepting cryptocurrency. So yeah, this is a really big thing going on in Florida here. So yeah, I'm definitely not gonna buy that if there was no 25% convenience fee. That's not going on. But yeah, that is pretty cool that they are trending with that, the whole Daytona thing accepting Dogecoin. That's cool that that's happening, but I won't be paying a 25% convenience fee, because Dogecoin is going to go up in the long term. But that's just me. And we all know, because look at this, we are seeing more selling happening. We're seeing more selling happening than buying. So we know that we're going to kind of go down here and do some movements like that, end up going back to our trend line here. And that's what we are doing here with Dogecoin. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just here following Dogecoin online. But yeah, we see the proof. We see the proof that Dogecoin has the potential to go to the moon. We know what is coming up. We know that Elon Musk is going to be accepting Dogecoin with Tesla. We know Coinbase is going to be putting, Dogecoin on Coinbase, because they announced it. Like, everybody knows what's going to happen for Coinbase. That's actually a big factor here. Coinbase and Elon Musk, the two major factors with Dogecoin right now. So that is exactly what we're waiting for. But as soon as they put Dogecoin on Coinbase, as soon as they do that, Dogecoin is going to go to the moon. Dogecoin is going to go beyond the moon. Just need that listing, but they won't put the date. I just want to see a listing date, but they won't really put an actual date on it. But let's see if someone has some kind of leaked information. So they say in 2 months, and they said that yesterday. So yeah, in 2 months, that would be inside of 2 months here. So that would be inside July. So yeah, Dogecoin in July. That's pretty cool. Dogecoin is coming to Coinbase. Global company said on Thursday during a call with investors and analysts to discuss its first quarter performance. The plan is to list Dogecoin in the next 6 to 8 weeks, said CEO Brian Armstrong. The Coinbase Voss said that there is a need to accelerate the process of how the platform adds new digital assets to its suite of offerings. Dogecoin, a meme stock with a stratospheric rise in value so far this year, has been added by a number of rival platforms in recent weeks. Coinbase main offerings include Bitcoin and Ethereum's Ethercoin, but it's steadily grown in its plate of crypto assets. So they're really talking about Dogecoin here, and Dogecoin on Coinbase is actually going to be something that happens. So they're actually doing this inside of, they want to say 2 months, but I would definitely say 2 months, but they say 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, 6 weeks hopefully, but most likely a whole 2 months is going to go by. So it's going to be sometime mid-July, which would definitely be pretty cool to have Dogecoin on Coinbase in mid-July, because then that's when it's going to go to the moon. And also when Elon Musk accepts it with Tesla, that'll also help it continue to rise. So Dogecoin $2 could actually be something that comes sooner rather than later, not just Dogecoin $1, but Dogecoin at $2. So that is something that we're really looking at here with Dogecoin. But like I said, in the short term, we're having more selling, so we're going to continue to dip in the short term back to our long-term trend line. And that's exactly what we just now seen there. While we were reading that article, it went all the way down like that. And now it's having some buying back, but we're going to get more selling orders to be followed by those buy orders. So that is what we're doing here short term in Dogecoin. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull and crypto.com to get a free $25. And I'll be back with another video.